Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to pick this lock. There's the key and the bitting. It is in good working order, nice and beautifully and smooth, and locked up. This one is my very first Bobby Keys lock. So I'm well chuffed with this. Got this one from Red Cat Imaging, or some people might know him as Foxxy, from UKLS Lock Sport. UKLS Lock Sport? UK Lock Sport even. UKLS. Yeah, lovely little lock. Haven't gutted it yet, so I'm going to try and do this on this video as well, so hopefully I'm not going to mess that up. But I'm going to go peaks and pry bar and peaks and DeForest diamond. Let's get on it and let's see what we can do. Let's see, you can see what I'm doing, and it's getting there. Nice couple of clicks at the back there. Had a little play with this one tonight. Lovely deep falset. Oh, that's come out, it doesn't really matter. Lovely deep falset there. And feeling through. And a bit more of a deep falset. Love it. It's very, very talkative till you get to about this stage, I think. It's being really gentle with the tension. I have picked this in about a minute before, which is crazy for challenge locks. I think I got really lucky, like I think I did there as well. But anyway, there it is picked. Might be because I've had a bit of practice on this one now. First time it took me ages. I was oversetting left, right and centre. Let's try and get this picked again, just because it's such a fun lock to pick. Yeah, I think I might have overset already, but it's a brilliant deep falsets in this. It's the last pin, I think. There it is. Just don't feel anything and then it opens. It's brilliant. Anyway, so there it is picked again. Gonna lock it up, get my pen in tray, let's put my picks to one side. Just take this out of the device. Put that over there. Pen in tray. Let's go like that. Got one of these doohickeys, so makes it a little bit easier. That's the spring, there's that bit. This is where we've got to be careful not to really mess it up. So I'm going to fit. Yeah, I should fit. No. Shimmy, put a shimmy. Seen so many videos where it's been messed up. Put a shimmy. And most of the videos have been mine. Can I get a shimmy in there? That's the thing. Ooh. Let's Ooh, I think I got away with that. There you go. All the pins in there. 5-pinner. All working. All need to be picked. So let's get these out. 1, 2. Whoa, I like 2. 3, 4, and 5. Wow, there's some beauties in there. Let's have a quick look in here. Focus in a bit. And yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Threading. 5 looks like it's in counter milled. So that's that. And let's try and have a look at these pins. Let me get these key pins in the right orientation. Right. I'm going to put them on the pinning tray as they come out. Not, oh you swine, you put a pin in there. Yeah, as they come out of the lock, so I can put them back exactly how they came out, because that's the one thing I don't want to mess up. Take the shim out there. It's the one thing I don't want to mess up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the springs out as well, just in case. Yeah, different springs. Good on him. Go that way. Good on him. He's done a good job on this. Should be the last spring. He seems to be a bit hung up in there. So I can get a pick in there and get him out. It might be why he was so nice to me. There we go. Right, and in the in the Bible, can't really see anything at all. Let's stick a pick in there. 1's clear, 2's clear, 3's clear. Yeah, they're all clear. Don't know if you can see in there. Probably not. Right, let's get a decent view of this lock. Show off these wonderful, wonderful pins that Bobby Keys has made. So, there we go. Brilliant, brilliant work, mate. 1, 2. Like a triple serrated. These are beautiful pins. Beautiful pins. That's the only what I'd call sort of normal standard like made one. Look at the depth of that. That's probably where my deep faucets are coming from. Let's just focus in a bit on the ones at the top. these. Wonderful. And there's the pin in pin. Let's move my out of the way. Come on, let's get some focus on these. Aha, there's the pin in pin. Serrated, well, serrated there. It's fit beautifully. I love that one as well. That's a lovely pin. It's even slightly tapered there as well. And another nice big spool there, and another, God knows how many serrations on that one. And then we've got different springs as well, just to vary the tension. Got a copper, a steel, another copper, and another steel, and then another copper. So there we have it, guys. Brilliant job, lovely lock. Thanks Foxxy, Red Imaging, for sending me this lock, and thank you ever so much Bobby Keys for making it. It's some beautiful, beautiful pins in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out. Hi guys, slight addition to the end of the Bobby Keys lock in chamber number 4 of the 5. The key pin is actually another type of T-pin. I don't know if you can see this, so I'm had to show you guys. He's God knows how he's done that, but that's the bottom part, and that's the top part. It just sits in like that. I noticed as I was putting it back together again, it sort of came apart. I thought, oh no, once I've broken it. But that's how it is. So I have checked all the other pins, can't seem to find anything else the same, but that is just mental. Absolutely mental. Anyway, had to add it on the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.